our condensing unit. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 16.5 inches, a depth of 19.75 inches, and a height of 10.75 inches tall. Coming to the front will be the Embraco compressor along with specifications. Next to the compressor will be the capillary tube that runs along the bottom, connected to the box in the back. The box will contain the main fan with the motor located on the center. Back of the fan will be the filter, and the measurements will include 14.25 inches by 10.25 inches tall. Last but not least, we have the breaker box that's connected with the starting components along with the capacitor to run this cooling unit. Coming to the top will be a sticker with additional information along with the 110-120 voltage that this cooling system will use. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.